Good morning, everybody. Today, I am going to talk about a few points on effective financial products marketing, be it cryptocurrency, be it the Bitcoin, TBC, mutual fund, insurances, and so on and so forth, non-banking financial services, so on and so forth, whatever are other services as well. First thing in services industries is to develop leads, and those leads are converted into potential prospects. And for that, for every financial product, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, so on and so forth, there are certain target audience, target market, niche audience, and niche customer as well. So once those are identified, then what we need to do is to experiment with the influencers of the and in the given market of the given product, service products, whatever I have said just now. Next, what we need to do is to use the content very rightly, very precise, very honest, very dignified, very reliable, so that we can educate the prospects and the customers about our financial products. Next, what we need to do is let us optimize the workflow and band across the channels as the case may be. The moment we optimize, then the question of digitization or usage of digitized tools, digitized techniques, digitized automation, and digitized experiences as well of given convenience, compliant, as also customer friendly, operation friendly. Following that, we need to personalize the marketing initiatives. The moment we say personalized marketing initiatives, that means every incumbent of whatever level may be, they need to be accustomed, they need to be aligned, they need to be aware, they need to be dedicated, they need to be committed, they need to be determined to go ahead with the enjoying customers' confidence, so that the leads, the prospects are gainfully converted into customers for long-term or on long-term basis, because retention of customer is again a challenge. So build the relationship in such a way that is sustainable, continuous, and for long generation after generation. Next is let the customer journey be optimized in such a way that we can deliver the products, services, whatever they want, understanding their needs, demands, expectations, quality of expectations, so on and so forth. So, for this we need to understand the artificial intelligence as well. That is very critical, tactical, and very important tool to use artificial intelligence in marketing of the service product. And most importantly, as on date, is to be noticed by the search engines. There are huge search engines available today, Google being the primary one, and let the search engines notice us complying with the SEO, so that our advertisement, our products, our services come on the top of the list in search engine searches, post compliance of SEO, etc. is whichever is needed. Having done that, we need to go ahead with content portfolio generation in growing manner with very dedicated, delicate, customized, understandable, clear, and customer friendly contents development. Followed by that, video marketing via YouTube or other media is very much important as on date. If we go ahead with those and align with those in the search engines, probably there is huge possibility of getting leads, prospects, and customers very quickly, very authentically, and very prospective for the growth. Another one is email marketing is also going on. Email marketing, mass mailing, so on and so forth are going ahead in very rapid way. And referrals, of course, yes. As on today, sponsor-based service industries, sponsor-based marketing is very much important, and for that, referral base is also important at the same time, at the same pace. And not only that, most and important is not to get the leads, prospects, customer only, but to build customer relationship in such a way that is sustainable, growing with a confident level, with a reliability, with honesty, with integrity, and continued customer services 24/7/365, so that no customer goes ignored of their questions, of their askings, of their needs, of their demands. So, saying this, I am concluding this video with again emphasizing to go ahead with my given a few points to have successful service product marketing like cryptocurrencies, TBC, and other bitcoins, other financial services like mutual funds, so on and so forth. Hopefully, I could give some food for thought to design by every marketing people to follow, so that they come out with very successful, colorful result from the market and gaining the confidence of the customers ahead and way forward. Thank you very much.